If an Oved Kochavim milks an animal, it needs Jewish supervision. Chalav Yisrael. Why? What is the concern? If it's because, well, we're concerned that the kosher milk might be swapped with non-kosher milk. But tar chivar, tamek yaruk. But apparently, kosher milk, while kosher milk is white, non-kosher milk apparently is like yellowish. So you'd be able to tell, if they tried to swap out the kosher milk for the non-kosher milk, you'd be able to identify it as being non-kosher milk. So again, what are we concerned about? V'imishum i'aruve, and if the concern is, well, maybe the Oved Kochavim mixed in some non-kosher milk. But if that's the case, nikum, well then let's make it into cheese. Damar, chalav tar omed, that kosher milk cheeses, curdles. Chalav tamei eino omed, but the non-kosher milk, I don't exactly know what animals they're coming from. Is the assumption like pig or something? It won't cheese. So why don't you just do an experiment and see if it cheeses? Well, look, if you're looking to make cheese, okay, I get it, fine. But he wants to eat it. He doesn't want to cheese it. He wants to eat it. And therefore he's not planning to make it into cheese. So how are you going to know if there's tamei milk in there? Vinishko mine koli vinekum. Okay, then the Gemara suggests, well, why don't you just take a little bit of the milk and see if it curdles? And if it curdles, so then it's kosher. Well, kevan dibitar nami ikinisyove delokaime lekolamekom ala demilsa. But the Gemara answers that also won't be good, right? Meaning, again, what's the concern? We're going to have this Oved Kochavim who is milking the cow unsupervised. The concern is that maybe he mixed in a little bit of non-kosher milk, and that's going to be the problem. So we're trying to figure out, but why is it a problem? Why don't you just take a sample from the milk, add rennet to it, and see if it curdles. And if it curdles, so if this little sample curdles, so then we're talking about kosher milk. Well, the issue is that even when milk curdles, you have some liquid that's left there. So the fact that it doesn't all become one solid clump, you're anyways going to have some stuff that isn't going to curdle. So you may have tamei milk, right? What's not curdling may also be the tamei milk there. So there might actually be tamei milk mixed in, and just doing a little, sample, taking a little sample and experimenting with curding isn't going to be enough of an indication.